Hi, my name is Muthana. I am a software developer working for a financial company in Orange County, California, and I do iOS development on the side. I am the owner of TechDevPro.com, which is a domain I created in 2012 when I became an iOS developer. The purpose of this video is to keep our client API active after the deadline in June, and we hope that we can accomplish that by showing you what we're doing and how the app works. So let's get started and see the app right here. It's called Your Followers. It's in the main screen here. So you click on the app. Then you get to the authentication page for Instagram. So let's just use this user to log in. So you hit login button. Then, as you can see, the user is admitted to this page and is asked to authorize our app to use the personal information. As you could see, you could click right here and see TechDevPro.com. Then the users could read about our privacy policy and other things on our site. So for the purposes of this demo, let's just authorize for the permissions here, and what we're asking for is actually the relationship permission only. The basic information just come out of the box, as I understand, and we have that. We have both at the moment. So click on the button. Then what happened? We got directed to the server, and we read the token from the URL, and that's why we're able to communicate on behalf of this user. We're actually using the client side authentication. So as you can see, you're in the app right now, and this user has a bunch of statistics, a bunch of insights about their account. So here is the followers list. You could see your followers. You could follow them and follow them. This is the following list, pretty much like it is in Instagram. So as you can see, this is the main insight section. Yeah, this is the new followers. There is no new followers right now. This is the people who unfollowed you. Those are the users who are recommended. They're not following, but you liked. So you're not following these users, but you like them. So it's kind of like suggested users for you to follow. Those are your fans here. There's 20 of them. Those are the followers that you don't follow. So you may want to consider following those people who are following you. Those are the mutual friends here. So those are the people you follow and they follow you back. And here's a list of the potential followers. Those people who want to follow you. Right here is the people you haven't followed. This is an important feature for some users when they unfollow people. Sometimes they look for them and they can't find them on Instagram, so they come here and they know who they are, and they could follow those people back. It happens. You could refresh at the top of the screen and at the top right and update the data. Basically, just do this and get the latest. And this is the interest insight. And as you could see, it gives you some information, like who's giving you the most comments, and who was giving you the most likes, and who was giving you the most comments and likes. So you could know, so businesses could know who's engaging more in their activity on Instagram, so they could target those individuals. And this is the people who are not bothering to give likes or comments, and those are your hidden fans, the people who are, as you can see, fans not following you. So those people are giving you likes and comments, just likes in this case, and they're not following you. So you may want to reach out to those people. So those are probably good candidates for the business to engage with. And those are the people that you like the most, the people that you like their media. And as you can see, they're ranked from high to low. So yeah, as you can see, this is the app. It's a paid app, and this insight, interest insight, you buy it for $1. Businesses could benefit a lot from using an app like this to manage their account and understand the behavior of the users and in their account, and they could target those users and create some campaigns with a list of users that they want to target. So it gives them very, very good information. This settings is just showing some information if you want help, and if you want to give a review and follow on Twitter and other things like that, showing the app version and so forth. So yeah, this is how the app works, and we've been supporting our users since 2012. It works similarly with other apps in the App Store, like Followers Plus, InstaTrack, and I believe My Followers, and many other apps. So everything is done nicely, cleanly, and we comply with Instagram API guidelines. We're not doing any bad behavior like what some of the apps are doing, like exchanging likes or comments or followers that defeats the purpose of having Instagram in the first place. So everything is done well here, and we have thousands and thousands of users who downloaded our app, and we have very good reviews, 4.5 rating we have currently, and we are one of the top 200 apps in the App Store. It's probably a good segue to go and see that. This is App Figures. It shows you the ranking of your app and other things. So as you can see, this is the app that we're seeing, your followers, and let's look at the iPad version. This is just like a whole month of trends data. So it started somewhere between 50 and 75, and it went down. Right now it's going back up. To the iPhone version. The iPhone version pretty much was very similar. It was like almost one of the top 100 apps in the App Store in the iPhone. As you can see, it went up here when we did advertising, and went back down, and it's climbing back. And this is showing both. Yep. So that's kind of like just to see how our app is ranked in the App Store. We're ranked high, and as you can see here, this is our website, TechDevPro.com. We basically explain what we're doing in our website. This is the mobile version of the website. So let's go back. This is our privacy policy here. We describe what we're doing with the users after they log in, and some users are interested to make sure that nothing wrong is happening with their account. That's why we're describing how they can cancel our access to their accounts, and telling them some information about the security of their account and the information, that we're not sharing that with anyone, and how we're not storing their media and our services, and they have the full privacy. I mean, this is just a bunch of information that we are displaying to our users to tell them who we are and how we take their privacy seriously. Right here we have the app page in Instagram have 20,000 followers, as you can see here. That's the account. So you can see what we do for our users from time to time. We shout out some of the users. We pick random people, and some of our users started sending us their images, their favorite places, and we put them in our page. So this is kind of like a page that we interact with the users, give them some updates, give them shout outs, show their favorite places. There's a recent one, Happy Memorial Day, that we put that yesterday. I think that was yesterday. And this is where people can click and download the app. Yep. So you go here, as you can see, 172 rating, and this is the app. You could read more if you go to description and you read about the features that the app is offering. Yep. So yeah, through after this demonstration, I hope we're going to be able to regain access, or in other words, keep our access for this API. And the only permission we're asking for is the relationship permission. And we hope to continue being a partner with Instagram since we've been in 2012. Thank you very much.